Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Notepad++ when it is not working properly. First, open Notepad++ and check if the program responds normally. If it is stuck or not responding, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Find Notepad++ in the Processes list. Right-click it and select End Task. Now open Notepad++ again and check if it works. If the problem continues, press Windows+R to open the Run window. Type %appdata%\notepad++ and press Enter. This will open the Notepad++ settings folder. Before changing anything, create a backup copy of this folder. Now close Notepad++ and rename the settings folder to Notepad++ Backup. Open Notepad++ again. The program will create fresh settings, which can fix problems caused by corrupted settings. If Notepad++ is still not working, uninstall the program and install it again using the latest official installer. After reinstalling, open Notepad++ and type some text to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's how you can fix common Notepad++ problems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials.